Welcome back, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom frames right in Canva. So I've got a workspace here and I'm going to go over to Elements and I'm going to place a photo of a baby on my workspace. Here's the baby. And what I want to do is I want to be able to create a frame for the diaper where I can place any background in there. So I'm going to go over to my apps section, and in here I'm going to type in frame, and I'm looking to use this app right here. It's called Trace to Frame. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click my image here, and I'm going to click on the purple button to say Start Tracing. So the way this works is you click a point on the design, and as you click, it starts to create the frame. So I'm going to click right here on this part, and then I'm just going to keep adding points to create my frame. Now, the number of points that you add really depends on how precise you want to be. So I'm done here, and what I'm going to do is there are a couple of options here. And if you make a mistake, you can always undo a point. But one is add as a frame, and one is crop as shape. So we can actually take that diaper and we can just crop it as a shape and use it in another design if we wanted to do that. Or we can convert this shape into a frame. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take it and I'm going to convert that purple area into a frame. And we also have the option to add a border. And yes, I'm going to add a border. I'm going to add a gray border. And I'm just going to increase the border weight to maybe 2. And I'll add this frame to my design. Okay, so here it is. Here is that frame. And now we can just put that right on top there. We can go to Elements, and we can place any background right in that frame if we want to. Now remember, I did choose a border, so it's really up to you whether you want to add a border or not. So that is what it looks like. And now we have an interchangeable frame where we can choose any kind of background to go right in there for our design. So what do you think of this? Let me know in the comments down below. If you learned anything whatsoever, don't forget to press that like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. If you want to learn more about Canva, join my YouTube channel membership. I go live every single week to teach my adult learners what they want to know. All right, bye-bye for now, friends.